And we're back. Sorry about that. I ran into another video problem, but I think I finally fixed it. Found out I had a very long video in my storage that I had to delete. I tried to edit it and it just wouldn't work. It just glitched out and now I couldn't even view it anymore. So I just ended up deleting it altogether. It was a good memory. It was a video of me washing my dog that I used to have. But yeah, what can you do? I mean, I'm the phones, right? Anyways, let's get back to the unboxing. So, I'm actually kind of sad about that, but anyway. So now we have phone calls. Wow, I'm actually very heartbroken about that. Like, just you could feel it. You could hear it in my voice. I'm sorry. Alright, so we have. Let's try to hurry up and get through this anyway. Here we have The Rock and Stone Cold. And some extra hands for The Rock. Alright. Really trying to get over that. But yeah, these guys are good figures. Those there. I'll put those to the side.